Yosemite National Park, California. A must-visit destination in 2025. Yosemite National Park, located in the heart of California's Sierra Nevada mountains, is a natural wonder that should be on every traveler's bucket list for 2025. Known for its towering granite cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and ancient sequoia trees, Yosemite offers breathtaking beauty and endless opportunities for adventure. Whether you're an avid hiker, a nature lover, or simply seeking peace in the great outdoors, Yosemite is a destination that will leave you in awe. Let's explore why Yosemite National Park is a must-visit in 2025. Why visit Yosemite in 2025? Yosemite National Park is a timeless destination, but 2025 is the perfect year to visit because of new eco-friendly initiatives, improved visitor programs, and enhanced accessibility. From its iconic landmarks to its serene wilderness, Yosemite offers something for everyone. Here's why you should plan your trip. Top things to do in Yosemite National Park. Marvel at iconic landmarks. El Capitan. This massive granite cliff is a favorite among rock climbers and a must-see for visitors. Half Dome. One of Yosemite's most recognizable features, Half Dome offers a challenging hike with rewarding views. Yosemite Falls, North America's tallest waterfall. Yosemite Falls is a breathtaking sight, especially in the spring when the water flow is at its peak. Explore Glacier Point for panoramic views of Yosemite Valley, Half Dome, and the High Sierra. Head to Glacier Point. It's accessible by car in the summer and by cross-country skiing or snowshoeing in the winter. Hike the trails. Yosemite offers trails for all skill levels. Some popular hikes include Mist Trail, a scenic hike that takes you past Vernal and Nevada Falls. Mirror Lake Trail, a peaceful walk to a reflective lake with stunning views of Half Dome. Tuolumne Meadows, a high-altitude meadow with gentle trails and wildflower displays. Visit Mariposa Grove, home to over 500 giant sequoias. Mariposa Grove is a magical place to explore. Don't miss the grizzly giant, one of the largest trees in the park. Enjoy outdoor activities. Rock climbing. Yosemite is a world-renowned destination for rock climbing, with routes for all skill levels. Cycling. Rent a bike and explore Yosemite Valley's flat, scenic paths. Winter sports. In the winter, enjoy skiing, snowshoeing, and ice skating at Badger Pass. Stargaze under dark skies. Yosemite's remote location makes it an ideal spot for stargazing. On a clear night, the sky comes alive with thousands of stars. Best time to visit. Yosemite is a year-round destination, but the best time to visit depends on your interests. Spring, April to June. Waterfalls are at their peak, and wildflowers are in bloom. Summer, July to September. All areas of the park are accessible, but it can be crowded. Fall, October to November. Fewer crowds, cooler temperatures, and beautiful fall colors. Winter, December to March. A snowy wonderland, perfect for winter sports and peaceful solitude. Eco-friendly travel. Tips. Yosemite is committed to preserving its natural beauty, and you can help by staying on designated trails to protect fragile ecosystems, using reusable water bottles, and avoiding single-use plastics. Practicing leave no trace principles, including packing out all trash. Supporting the park's conservation efforts by donating or volunteering. Fun facts about Yosemite. Yosemite was one of the first national parks in the United States. Established in 1890, the park spans over 750,000 acres and includes 5 of the world's tallest waterfalls. Yosemite's granite cliffs were formed over 100 million years ago. The park is home to over 400 species of animals, including black bears, mule deer, and mountain lions. How to get there by car. Yosemite is about a 4-hour drive from San Francisco and a 6-hour drive from Los Angeles. By air, the nearest major airports are in Fresno, 90 miles away, and Sacramento, 150 miles away. By public transportation, Amtrak and YARTS, Yosemite Area Regional Transportation System, offers services to the park. Yosemite National Park is a destination that will inspire and rejuvenate you. Whether you're hiking to a waterfall, marveling at towering cliffs, or simply soaking in the beauty of nature, Yosemite is a must-visit in 2025. Let us know in the comments what you're most excited to do in Yosemite. And if you've been before, share your favorite memories or tips for fellow travelers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. See you in Yosemite.